Well, it's really very important to have Citlines, an Ecolab company, as a partner in this, because they have the leverage of having huge amount of customers, where we have the knowledge in the technical side and the scientific side of the world, of the story. So together we make each other stronger. So the concept of farm to fork is the idea that what you do in animal production has an impact on the human health. So if you want to preserve human health, you really have to work on animal health. That's the whole idea. It brings more health to the animals, which is important. It brings more welfare to the animals, which is also very important. But it also brings more health to humans, so it's a win-win for everybody. So the One Health approach is the whole idea that what you do in animals has an impact on humans, what we do in humans has an impact on animals. And altogether it has an impact on the environment. And if something in this balance gets deteriorated, if something goes wrong, it has an impact everywhere. And in the past we looked at that as separate silos. So we looked at animal health, we looked at human health, we looked at environmental health. Very, very different, and we didn't talk to each other. And the whole story now is that in One Health, we really try to combine, and we see that if we improve animal health, it does has a benefit for human health. And the other way around is also very important. As a veterinarian, I like to stress that also what humans do has an impact on animals. And so also simply for the health of animals and for the welfare of animals and to preserve that, we also have to adapt to human behavior.